Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to find contacts in Gmail. Friends, if you want to view all contacts saved on your Google account, then you simply need to click on the profile picture. Now here you need to click on manage your Google account. Now here on this page you will find many options. So you need to click on data and privacy. Now in data and privacy you need to scroll it a little down and here you will find contacts. Click on it. Now to see all contacts you need to click on this small arrow. Now it will open all the contacts saved on your Google account. Friends, you can also directly open this contact page by simply opening contact.google.com on your web browser and log in with your Gmail account. So friends, here you will find all your saved contacts. So friends, like this you can very easily find contacts in Gmail. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.